Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you off dial pad tone in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you off it? Today we are going to talk about this setting in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys, first of all, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now time to start video. First of all, guys, what will you have to do? Open your phone setting. After that, guys, come on sound vibration, click here, additional setting, and guys you can say dial pad tone you want to off, then guys off, and let's see guys when you will off it. So as you can see, dial pad tone has offed. So I think guys you have understood how to off dial pad tone in Redmi 10 phone. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, guys, so please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching.